What's up, gearheads? Welcome to the first Q&A session of the Joel Riley Factor. This is a new aspect and new addition to the show that I am very excited about. This is where I can really interact and talk to you guys, the followers, and I can directly answer some questions you guys may have on some projects you're working on at home. Our first question comes from Bailey on TikTok, who writes, I'm not extremely educated on car restorations, but how much does a total restoration cost? Does it depend on the car? Yada, yada, yada. My boyfriend has a 1990 Fox Body 7-Up Mustang. 7-Up Mustang. I'm not familiar. Let's Google it. 7-Up Fox Body Mustang. Oh. Well, I'm going to be honest, Bailey. This is the first time ever hearing of something called the 7-Up Fox Body Mustang. And I'm going to be honest, it's not really my cup of tea, but you know what? To each their own, right? The first thing we need to address, Bailey, is the fact that if your boyfriend has a Fox Body Mustang, you actually don't have a boyfriend, you have a girlfriend. Just kidding, Bailey. But seriously. If your boyfriend's a car guy, he'll understand. We gotta rag on each other every once in a while. But to answer your question, Bailey, a lot of people really underestimate the cost of a restoration on a vehicle. Something like a Fox Body Mustang is not quite as popular or as common as a Camaro, a Chevelle, a Mopar, anything like that. So parts are gonna be a little harder to come by, but luckily for you, the restoration might not cost as much. You're probably realistically looking around the $15,000 to $20,000 range for a really nice restoration on your boyfriend's Fox Body Mustang. Now, if you and your boyfriend want to save yourself some money, you can actually do a lot of the restoration yourself. You can literally save yourself thousands and thousands of dollars by getting in there and getting your hands dirty yourself. And lucky for you, I have the perfect website. National Parts Depot. National Parts Depot has recently become my favorite website for picking up all my classic car restoration parts. And the main reason why I'm recommending National Parts Depot to you, Bailey, is because check this out. Look at all the Fox Body Mustang parts they have. They have stuff for brakes, drivetrain, body, exhaust, engine, they've got it all. And the best part is they're not just limited to Fox Body Mustang parts. I mean, just looking at their website here, they got stuff for old Mustangs, they got stuff for Camaros, Chevelles, Firebirds, GTOs. Oh look, they even got stuff for Mopar. T-Birds, 48 to 1979 Ford trucks, 80 to 96 Ford trucks, 97 to 04 Ford trucks, old Ford Broncos, old Chevy trucks, old Mercury Cougars. I mean, in all honesty, it's a one-stop shop. Anybody who's following my TikTok page knows that we've been waiting on back-ordered parts from a certain company that will remain nameless. We've been waiting almost 2 months for these parts to come in for the Chevelle. I finally canceled the order after I got a hold of National Parts Depot. I had gotten an email from the old company saying that the parts were now back-ordered until January, possibly February. I got a hold of National Parts Depot. I talked to one of their sales guys. They processed my order within an hour. But lo and behold, we're going to have the parts within 7 to 10 days. This is another reason why I recommend National Parts Depot. They are owned and operated in the U.S., therefore back-ordered parts are not really a problem. Anyways, Bailey, I hope this helps. Good luck to you and your boyfriend on your build. I hope it goes awesome. If any of you have any questions about a project you have going on at home, maybe it's how to get started on some paint and body work, maybe some mechanical repairs, don't hesitate to hit me up on any of my social media platforms. You can comment below, you can DM me on TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram. Submit those questions to me on any of those platforms. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and if it's a really good question, I might just feature it here on my YouTube channel or even on my TikTok series. Either way, people, get those questions into me. We'll see you next time.